If you are looking for an environment with full of greeneries, securities and clubhouse facilities, then this township would suit you. Presenting to you Setia Park Semi-D at Nusantara Phase 2. This house has a land area of 41 by 85. It comes with 4+1 rooms and 5 bathrooms. This house has a build-up of 3,300 square feet. Come check this house. What I like about this house, the design is very practical. Every section of this house is spacious. It has a big living and dining area suitable for large family gathering. The kitchen has 2 separate areas, a dry kitchen for light cooking and a wet kitchen for heavy cooking. This design allows the families to spend time in the kitchen while preparing their meal. Big house, big garden at Setia Park. What are you waiting for? Give me a call and I can't wait to show you this beautiful semi-detached.